To create sketch, you can click sketch icon, and I will use the XC plan. Click OK. Now we need to active for grid. You can click this icon. You can also click the drop-down menu in this grid to change for the grid spacing. As default, we use 10 millimeter. And the next, you need also to active for the snap to grid. Now you can click these icons to create point, or you can tap G, the next Y. So you can tap G and Y to create for the points. And for the first, we set into 10,10. You can move into this corner, 10,10. Click to apply. We move again, 10,20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 20, 30, 10, and the last 20, 10. Creating sketch and choose XC plan. Now in here we have the 7 point, and you can create point by tap G and Y. I will create the 7 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press Escape button to close from this point tools. And you can go to dimension, click on Constrain Lock, or you can tap key and L. So you can tap key, L, to use the Constrain Lock. Now you can select the point that will be create for the dimension in the point. This, press Escape button again to close. And now we can change into 7,5. So for the first point, I will set into 7, and then for Y into 5. The second point, I will set this point into 15. And then for the next in it, can set into 10. For the third point, I will set into 20. And also in here, 20. The next point, set 25. And the next, 35. For the 5 points, 43 for X, and Y we set into 37. The 6 point can set into 41 for X, and 13 for Y. The last point can set for Y into 5, and then for X into 27. Click OK. Now you can hide for the constraint by clicking this icon.